I had a really good day at the open on that. So it was gapping down, obviously, because everybody knows that's how this meme stock is active. At the open, tested the VWAP, was really a strong buying pressure. I went long at 1140. This one I didn't wait for the first minute, but it really popped up above 12, sold some, and I got to stop out. So that's the first trade. Alright guys, good morning everybody. This is Andrew. I'm going to do a quick recap with Brian. We had a really good day trading. I traded Tesla, TQQ, and what else? BBBY, Bed Bath and Beyond. It was a really nice day. So let's go over what we did for the day. So I took a reversal on Tesla at the bottom when the market was gapping down at around 880, 881, popped up all the way up to 887. I got also TQQ as well. TQQ is kind of dropping now. Let me actually get out of it. So TQQ was also another trade that on a reversal we tried to get off it. So market was selling off today because of the interest rates again rising. So we got one pop here, and then I took another one as a double bottom reversal because this QQQ is down 1.7%. I eventually didn't make any money out of TQQ, really, to be honest with you, because it's just yeah, it just doesn't have enough momentum for the reversal. So that was these two reversal trade, and then the BBBY was a little bit of over trading, but I had a really good day at the open on that. So it was gapping down, obviously, because everybody knows that's how this meme stock is active. At the open, tested the VWAP, was really a strong buying pressure. I went long at 1140. This one I didn't wait for the first minute, but it really popped up above 12, sold some, and I got to stop out. So that's the first trade. And then I flipped my position short. I got a small short on that as well, and then popped back up. I went long again for the break of 12. I got to stop out. And then after that, I did two sub-par trades on it that I really shouldn't have traded that, because I don't have any trade book just below the VWAP right at 940. And I did pop up a little bit, and I eventually got out of it break even. And then I did one big trade on it on the reversal. So first I went long here because this was the low of the day that really held before. I went long, popped up, and then it came down. I got out of it, and then again it did pull back. I went long again, added just below the VWAP. That's the lightning bolt pattern that Peter has, and then popped up again. So that was a really nice trade, and after that I'm really I don't touch it anymore. And I'm still in Tesla. See the 200 shares of Tesla. See if the Tesla can go back up to the VWAP. It might not really go back to VWAP, but I'll see how it goes. Before going to Brian, let's what the room did. So I know Thor did a really nice short on Walmart. This is a short on Walmart 138. So that's a nice short he did. And another thing that he did, the SPY on the top short at 425. So these are the two trades that Thor shared with us. Market is still dropping. NVIDIA made a new lows. AMD probably new low. Qs are Qs are going to the new lows. Brian, what else you traded?
No, I had a good day. I traded STNE, just my usual rising devil pattern. So it was, it was gapping down. Obviously on an event, I think it was earnings. It was trading below the VWAP, and it was showing weakness going into the open. So those are all the four criteria I look at for a rising devil. And I had actually started my short in the pre-market, and then it popped up to the VWAP, and I added to the position, and then it just sold off. So it's covered 915, 920, 912-ish was about the area. I covered the last little bit, but it actually lost 9. I didn't think it was actually going to go there. And then the other trade I did was was the result of some of our members calling out in the room, was AXSM, which was gapping up but trading below the VWAP, but then it started to get some strength and it had a really nice run. Got in just under 56, and last bid out was sort of 59.30-ish. So got a nice run on that one as well. So that's it. That's the week.
That was a really nice week. I was a little bit sick yesterday, so sorry I slept in. And I know Thor traded really nicely with you, uh,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah. So we'll everybody flying to LA and see you guys all in LA. I'm still in Tesla, probably gonna get stopped out at the break even. So, but that was a nice good reversal on Tesla. And have a good day, guys. See you all tomorrow in LA. If not, then Monday morning in the chat room, guys. Ciao.
Cheers.